Hi there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you my thoughts on using ClickFunnels 2.0 for the past 30 days, because it's been about sort of a month now since ClickFunnels 2.0 was launched to the world. It's been a huge buzz around ClickFunnels 2.0, and a lot of people are wondering, whether ClickFunnels 2.0 is worth going to, if they're already a standard ClickFunnels user, or if you've never used ClickFunnels in their life. What is ClickFunnels 2.0? How can it help them, and why is it better than anything else in the market? So hopefully I answer that question for you. So if you like this video, why not like it? Why not subscribe for more content like this? And I really hope this video helps you to decide whether ClickFunnels 2.0 is right for you or not. So what are my initial thoughts of ClickFunnels 2.0? Well, ClickFunnels 2.0, certainly in the members area, is completely different to ClickFunnels 1.0. I mean, in terms of a members area, it's really slick. ClickFunnels 1.0, or original ClickFunnels, whilst I really liked it and I've been using it for over 2 years to run my affiliate business, it looked outdated. It just looked like something out of the 2010s or early 2000s. It looked outdated, bit jaded. And in my opinion, ClickFunnels 2.0 has just come around at the right time. It's complete. ClickFunnels 2.0 in terms of how it looks and behaves is completely different. So what is really the difference between ClickFunnels 2.0 and ClickFunnels 1.0? Well, with ClickFunnels 1.0, the original ClickFunnels or ClickFunnels Classic, whatever you want to call it, ClickFunnels Classic, all you could do with it is really build funnels and do email marketing. But with ClickFunnels 2.0, you can do absolutely anything you want with it. You can build your entire business around it, and you won't need to buy another tool. So, let me just sort of show you here. You can build a blog, as you can see here, your blog, and do all your blog posts. You can build a membership website. You can host all your courses. You're going to have your own shopping cart, payment processing. You can have an e-commerce store. You can obviously have all your funnels. And ClickFunnels 2.0 pretty much does it all. The best way to look at ClickFunnels 2.0 is basically it's your one-stop shop for growing your online business, whether you want to do an e-commerce business, membership website, coach, consultant, course creator, whatever it is, you can do it all from ClickFunnels 2.0. So you don't have to basically buy lots of different subscriptions to make your funnels and everything work. Basically, you get it all in one place or one price, and basically that's it. That is really the big idea for ClickFunnels 2.0, to bring it all together, to create your online presence in one place. So you only pay one subscription for your blog, your website, your membership website, all your funnels, your email marketing, your e-commerce store, everything. So you get it all in one place. And that's it. So what are my thoughts on actually using ClickFunnels 2.0? So I haven't built myself a blog yet, but I've uploaded a template. The blog looks really neat. I've just had a little play of it. The templates look super cool. You can do all sorts of things with it. And I think this is great because, normally when you create a blog or a website, usually you have to do it through WordPress, which, I've used WordPress many times in the past. And whilst it's good, it can be clunky and it can be difficult to wrap your head around, especially if you're building it yourself and you don't have a lot of tech experience. On the flip side, if you get someone building it for you, it's going to cost you. It's going to cost you couple of $1,000s at least to launch your blog, which is, if you start a new business, that's quite a big outlay. And obviously, you've got ongoing maintenance, so you've either got to maintain it or you've got to pay a developer to maintain it. But obviously with ClickFunnels, it's all in one place. Everything looks slick, it's drag and drop. You get templates, you can just fill in the templates in blocks. So you put in your text, put in images. You can upload blog posts really easily. So big thumbs up. Now, obviously in terms of the funnel builder, I've built a couple of simple little funnels. Really easy to use. I really enjoy it. I think it's an upgrade on ClickFunnels 1.0, I think it's a little bit quicker. You can do a bit more with it. You can do a bit of custom coding if that's what you want. Yeah, the funnel builder is a lot more intuitive. And I think I slightly prefer it over ClickFunnels Classic. So yeah, let me just sort of show you around. So you can do all sorts of things. So you've got all your sites and funnels here, your blog, your funnels and whatever. You can host all of your products here, see all of your orders. This is where all your contacts are going to be, email contacts. It's your analytics for all your website and funnels. It's where you do all your email marketing, all your sales, and this is obviously your settings, and this is obviously your payments. So you can do all your payment gateways. I mean, obviously the ClickFunnels 2.0 is still in beta. There's going to be new features coming out for it on a regular basis over the next couple of months. But okay, my initial thoughts of ClickFunnels 2.0 is that it's been long overdue. My gripe with ClickFunnels 1.0, whilst it was good at what it did and building funnels, you couldn't do it all. At the end of the day, my big gripe was, obviously, if you're running an online business, you can't get away. You need a blog, you need a website because of the branding and the trust. If you're selling anything online, people are going to look for your website or blog first to see if you're genuine. And obviously with ClickFunnels Classic, didn't have that feature, so you had to either do your blog or website in WordPress or have someone else build it or do GoDaddy, which costs even more. But obviously with ClickFunnels 2.0, you can build your own blog and website. So basically now you can build your own online ecosystem and build your brand inside ClickFunnels. And I think that's massive because if you want to build a successful online business, you need your blog or a website. You need to brand it properly. And then obviously to make sales, you need your funnels all around your blog in order to capture leads and make sales for your products and services. So in a nutshell, ClickFunnels 2.0 is a massive upgrade over ClickFunnels Classic. It's ClickFunnels 2.0 is like ClickFunnels 1.0 on steroids. You can just do it all from one place, whether you want to do e-com, membership sites, whatever. You can do it all from one place, saving you a ton of money, but also, being able to build your blog and build your whole online presence. So I can't really fault ClickFunnels 2.0 at the moment. I'm sure there's going to be things, I'm not going to like, nothing's perfect, but at the moment I really like it. And I'm all in with ClickFunnels 2.0. And also, another big bonus for joining ClickFunnels 2.0 is their affiliate program. Now, let me tell you, ClickFunnels 2.0 is going to be the hottest selling product over the next 12 months. It's going to change the game, and tens of thousands of people, if not maybe hundreds of thousands of people, are going to be joining it. And obviously, if you get in with ClickFunnels 2.0, and you get, I think it's the Pro and the Platinum membership, which is the middle and top, you get access to the affiliate program. It means you can promote it, which is good for you because you can build a little side income along your business, or you can go all in, become a ClickFunnels affiliate. They've got, ClickFunnels have got the best affiliate program on the planet. So that's another big bonus for joining ClickFunnels 2.0 is get a hold of their affiliate program and start promoting ClickFunnels. So, at the end of the day, ClickFunnels gets a big thumbs up from me. I really enjoy it. I'm still learning it and figuring it all out, but at this moment, I really enjoy it. So, if you want to join ClickFunnels 2.0, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can click your link, choose your payment plan, and then obviously, you can join your free 14-day trial, and depending what plan you choose, whether it's monthly or annual, there's free plans, and you can do either of those free plans, even monthly or annual, doesn't matter which one you choose, just depends on what you need. You get your free 14-day trial, and after 14 days you will be billed either monthly or annually if you take the annual plan. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make your decision to join ClickFunnels 2.0 even sweeter. Now, if you decide to join ClickFunnels 2.0 between now and 31st of December, I'm going to give you what I believe to be the most powerful free traffic system on the planet. And I actually gave this system away during the launch, but I've extended it until the 31st of December. And it's called the Groundbreaking 24-Hour Ranking System. In a nutshell, This was created by Paul Murphy. He's allowed me and other people to give it away. Absolutely awesome system. And what his system does, it allows you to rank simple videos, i.e. product review videos, either yours or affiliate products or other videos, and get them ranking on Google in position 1, 2, 3, and 4 in under 24 hours, and getting top positions in YouTube. So that means you get a ton of free traffic. And I've used this system to grow my 6-figure affiliate marketing business. It just works. It's awesome. Cannot recommend it enough. And you get this system if you upgrade to ClickFunnels 2.0 today by clicking my link below. You also get unlimited weekly group coaching with Paul Murphy. This is awesome. I mean, it's every Tuesday. It's absolutely brilliant and well worth joining. You get the 4-day Google ranking challenge, and you also get this template as well. And this is everything you get. So you get, if you decide to get ClickFunnels 2.0, you're going to get all of what I said, which is worth $12,588, and you get it free. Obviously, you don't get a 30-day trial now. It's 14 days. But still, yeah, definitely, if you sold on ClickFunnels 2.0, in many ways, this bonus is the icing on the cake, because whether you want to go all in on promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate, promote your own products and services, or promote other affiliate products, you can use this system to do that and get a ton of free traffic in the process. So, also, I must say, if you do get ClickFunnels 2.0 today, and you purchase it, you've got to email me your invoice number, as I cannot give this to you because I'm not linked into Russell's funnel in any way. But as soon as you get your free trial and you get your invoice number, send me an email. I'm going to leave my email address down in the description. Just drop me an email with your invoice number to that address, and as soon as I get it, I will forward you all of these bonuses in an email. So there we go, guys. So if you want to join ClickFunnels 2.0 and get this awesome free traffic bonus, which is the best one on the planet, never seen a free traffic system like this, why not join ClickFunnels 2.0, get your free 14-day trial and this awesome bonus. Link below. But this bonus is only going to be available until the 31st of December. So yeah, why not start 2023 on the right foot with ClickFunnels 2.0 and the 24-hour ranking system. So hopefully you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.